Okay, second person. For your information, all of your donations will be funded for the food, for the animal training, and for the renovations, as you guys can see here. Okay, Bella, finish. Okay, thank you, Miss. This will be the second last person. Mr. Rizal, can you add one more person? Okay. Okay, relax. Others, please don't go anywhere because my show hasn't finished yet. I still got few more animal friends waiting at the back of the stage. Okay, Bella, finish. Okay, next. Okay, Bella, finish.